But now there's a new tape. Arnold Schwarzenegger was in Bubba's bedroom.
Really?
Oh my God, Bubba's wife. This is so crazy. I'm having sex with you. You should pretend to be my maid. Yeah, feather dust my cock. Fold my laundry. Do it. Yeah, oh my God, it turns me on. Yeah. I love the Windex.
See? That's if Arnold Schwarzenegger had fucked Bubba's wife. What if Jeff Goldblum had banged Bubba's wife?
Ah.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, good God, this was well worth a trip to Tampa. First the Florida Aquarium, and now sex with the wife of Bubba. I hope this tape never leaks. I wouldn't want anyone finding out about my non-veiny penis. Uh-oh, here comes the gold juice. Oh, yes.
See? The gold juice. I do have one more. If Michael Caine had sex in Bubba's bedroom.
Great actor.
You want to hear that one?
Yeah.
All right.
Isn't this lovely? Me, Michael Caine, having sex with Bubba's wife, while I assume Bubba watches in the next room and plays with his penis. Oh, yes, lovely. I was in Inception.
Thank you.
Anyway.
Do you think Bubba was watching in the next?
Thank you for calling. Diner.
Do you by chance recognize my voice?
Not right off, honey.
It's Hillary Clinton.
Okay.
Okay.
Hillary Clinton.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. I am going to be campaigning there soon, and I was looking for a diner. Would you mind if I popped in?
That would be amazing.
On an average day, how many black people come in?
Maybe 10 to 20.
Fantastic. Gays?
Oh, lots.
Oh, wow. You might want to take this down. Here is what I'm going to need specifically. 6 blacks, 4 females, a couple of Asians, 1 tranny, and an Eskimo with or without a wheelchair. Could you read that back?
Okay, we've got 6 blacks, 4 females, 1 tranny, an Eskimo, and I missed a couple of those because I was a little distracted.
Two Asians.
2 Asians.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Any conjoined twins in the neighborhood? You know, voters really love them.
Yeah, I love them as well, but we haven't seen any in a while.
Is there a way you could get some?
Maybe with duct tape or Gorilla Glue, but I don't think naturally.
Okay. Are there any dwarfs with large heads? You know, also a favorite with the voters.
There's a few.
That is fantastic. I think that's about it. Anything else that you can provide?
We've got a neighbor that's got a 3-legged dog.
That's good. I like that. And then just finally, we need if you could just take this down.
Okay.
This will be at a special table near a window. We need the conjoined twins, 4 dwarfs, 7 Russian ballerinas,
right.
9 mongoloids. Can you read it back?
Okay. 4 dwarfs, 7 conjoined twins, 7 Russian ballerinas, and 9 mongoloids.
Oh, wow. I have hit the jackpot with you.
Yes.
Okay, this phony phone call I think you'll enjoy. They took tape of me talking to you about The Bachelor.
Okay.
And they called a guy, I guess at a video store, if they have such a thing still, but there's a store that sells videos or DVDs. And I just start a random conversation about The Bachelor with the guy working there. Guy's a pretty good sport until he isn't.
How can I help you?
Hi. I love The Bachelor so much.
The Bachelor?
We love that show.
We don't carry a lot of DVDs like that. It would probably be Walmart.
Just lay in bed and watch The Bachelor like I do.
I've never really watched much of it. I don't watch a lot of TV.
The point about The Bachelor is it's a total disaster, which is great.
Oh, yeah. Have you seen the one where they do the same thing, but they do it to Flavor Flav?
No.
I think it's called Flavor of Love or something like that, but... he's such an ugly guy, and they find a bunch of...
From what I read in the tabloids, because I read all those magazines, Inquirer, Star, Globe, all of them, they claim that this Bachelor is just so hungry to be famous. I mean, he's a nice-looking kid, but then you remember, he's kind of a moron. Like, his best years were in high school.
I've got a bit of a line here, so I'm going to have to let you go.
He's on a date with a girl. Listen to this.
You have a great day.
She's got 2 kids at home, and she's on The Bachelor.
Got a couple of people waiting here for me, so I'm going to have to let you go.
And then she had vocal fry on top of it.
All right.
She's like,
you have a good day. I'm going to have to let you go, though.
Why are you not The Bachelor? Now, there's a show.
Have a good day. Bye. Hello?
Listen to this.
No.
I was in the middle of watching The Bachelor. I'm not.
Fuck off!
Wow.
He finally was fed up.
He was done.
You know when he got upset when I said, I just realized
okay,
this.
it's Tuesday. Since we just heard a phony phone call, why don't we make it for Tuesday? Let's go to, this is me calling a talk show in the South. And turns out, I didn't realize the host is gay, and I managed to pick him up.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, look at you stud. You got moves.
Yeah. Here we go.
Caller 706, you're on the air. How are you doing?
I really do not hate gay people or transgender. I don't care.
So what is your standpoint on this new bathroom law?
I don't even understand it.
It's crazy, isn't it?
I just found out I have a gay driver. I don't hate him. What do you think of that?
Well, you got a gay driver. So what? He's gay. That just means that he's probably on Grindr. He's probably on Scruff while he's driving.
I know, who cares? There's not enough gay people in the world.
There's not.
What, because the guy likes to suck dick? Fuck him. Who cares?
He likes dick. I'll fuck him. Why not? You know, that's how it goes.
I know. Go suck a dick. Get over it.
Exactly. All right. Thank you very much. I got to go back.
You must be a good-looking dude.
You know what? I like to think of myself as a good-looking dude. I do. I really like to think of myself as that.
Who do you look like?
I've been told that I in the past I look like several different actors. I've been told I look like Jacqueline Phoenix. Now recently been told I look like John Travolta. But you know what? Honestly, without the hair, I've actually been kind of told I look like Howard Stern.
Is your cock all one color? I've seen some pornos where guys have like multiple colors on their cock.
Mine is all one color. You know, I tan equally. When I go to tan in bed, I am completely naked, so it all tans equally.
You look like you have a big cock.
I do have a big cock. It is between 2 and 14 inches, depending on the weather and the stimulation.
Wow.
I know, wow, right?
Can you send me a picture?
You know what? Add me on Facebook. Add me on... Actually, you can go on FurApp, furapp.com. We'll talk about that. So let me ask you, I take you're a gay man.
Yes.
So maybe we'll plan a coffee date or a drink date. How's that sound?
Awesome.
All right. Well, thank you for being a listener on the show. And you know what? No matter who you are, straight, gay, bi, transgender, trans woman, whatever, get out there and fucking dance with somebody.
Here's a good phony phone call. This is Donald Trump calling a Mexican dude who's a builder, trying to get him to build the wall.
A Mexican builder.
Yeah. Trump wants a Mexican builder. That way...
Cut on the cost.
Well, not so much cost, but it'll make it, it's smart in the sense that once you put up this wall that's going to block all Mexicans from in. If it's a Mexican builder, you haul them out on stage and you say, look, see, a Mexican guy built this wall. Anyway. Now, the guy's a Mexican-American, this guy that we called. And it's kind of funny here.
Yes?
Hola, amigo. How are you?
Diablo.
Okay, Jose, I've got a big construction job. Are you interested? Lots of money.
Of course I'm interested. I make anything. Now listen.
Okay, Pablo, can you build a wall?
I have anything you need I can do. I can build walls, houses, anything you need.
Good, because I want you to build me a wall.
Dame otra cerveza.
Julio, I'm talking to you, buddy.
Say again?
Trust me, Diego, this is going to be the biggest construction job you've ever done. Huge.
My name is Jose.
After this job, you'll have enough money to buy 1 billion chalupas. Trust me.
Are you fucking around with me, or do you want me to build a wall?
No, amigo. You're going to build me a wall, okay?
What, because I'm Spanish? I'm supposed to like chalupas?
Stop it, okay? Now, hold on a second, me. Everybody loves me. Now, can we build a wall with a wire that can zap Mexicans when they touch it?
You want that Mexican?
Only the people who are stupid enough to touch the fence. Because honestly, you gotta be stupid.
What, you a fucking racist now?
No. I am a realist. I'm gonna pay you big bucks, Juan. Trust me. Big pesos, Juan.
You like I'm fucked up because I could go over there and beat the shit out of you. I see you on TV. And I tell you again, my name is Jose.
Okay, wonderful. Therefore, you are going to build that big wall for me.
You think because I'm Mexican, I'm going to build you a wall?
That's right, genius.
You're out of your fucking mind. You ain't going to be best because Mexican people hate you.
No. They love me, Felipe. Everybody loves me. You're going to love me. Trust me.
You know, good racist piece of shit.
If you don't watch yourself, I'm going to make that wall really high. That I can do.
Come on, motherfucker. Make it higher.
Oh, Chico, it just got 10 feet higher.
I'm going to fuck you, and then I'm going to fuck your wife, you motherfucker.
Oh, and there we go, all the way to 30.
Higher.
You blew it, Chico. You blew it.
Fuck you up against the wall.
Now you really pissed me off, Pancho. You're not only building that wall, but you're paying for it.
Motherfucker. Don't come me back, because if I find you, I'm going to chop your head off.
So there it is if Trump tried to hire someone to build his wall.